This my nose, the way they loved me when I was like a kid. Hey, no. Even this my nyash, when I was a kid, I used to be very shy because I developed them when I was like 10.
You don't chop any of our Nigerian food.
So one of my favorite foods in the whole world be eba.
Eba.
You can ask my team
and
with the goosey.
Baby.
Yes.
Clap for you.
Oh, baby girl, Wendy Shay, how you go to chop eba and still maintain this figure now?
Oh, I wake up.
This your figure, your shape.
Now
It be natural.
Natural.
Yeah, inheritance from my family.
What be your take on BBL?
I think if you want to do that be your body. I mean, if you feel like you want to enhance your body, so say you go feel confident about yourself, make you do anything where you go make you feel confident about yourself, make you do
You don't touch anything for your body?
No.
Everything
like everything.
Natural.
Everything. Because when I was a kid, like I used to get like even elderly men looking at me in some, so I used to be very shy.
You don't ever face sexual harassment based on that, your body?
You have men looking at you and they'll be like, hey, a small girl with your nyash big like that, but people will laugh it off and make some weird comments.
IKEBE 89.9 Yanga FM.
Flow this year for you. And in case you don't know, making us 99.9 Yanga FM it is. My name is Jayceetalks.
My name is Bybisasa. And time don't reach for us to have that conversation where say go definitely shut out social media. Say award season now from December into January to the first quarter of this year, and conversations they stop every time when it comes to my favorite never release, so why they not give my favorite, so in fact we get artists we don't enter inside our Yanga FM studio today. We're going to ask her different things, award season, music, entrepreneur, if she did inside that kind of thing, and different conversation.
All right, so I'm talking about conversation. My brother, my sister, we get my fellow sister from the other part of the country, the Aquabarians.
Yes,
Aquaba. So I'm talking of a multi-award winning artist, and then a person will be say then Bonham for a Ghanaian person, but they aside the country where they say she do music for Germany, and then she don't do a lot of music since then. And trust me, in a person where we say aside being a musician, she studied as a nurse.
Yes,
but
so she's a trained nurse.
I am coming back to Ghana to do music, and now she's not doing it in Ghana alone. She's done for Nigeria, she's done for Africa, she's done for the world. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, enemies and side chick and side papa, give it up for the
Wendy
one and only
Shay.
Welcome. How you doing?
I love the introduction.
Welcome.
Yeah, it be. So I'm just gonna do that. I go to speak like my Ghana pidgin.
No wala.
So,
No wala.
Okay.
We go enjoy them like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Now when you enter NAIJA, when did you enter Nigeria?
Yesterday.
Ooh. Oh boy. So
yesterday.
okay. You don't rest. You don't.
No rest for
No rest for you.
No.
Now walk. Okay.
You don't chop any of our Nigerian food.
So one of my favorite foods in the whole world be eba.
Eba.
You can ask my team with the goosey.
Baby.
Yes.
Clap for you.
Clack it.
Love it.
For real.
That one of my favorite food in my entire world.
For baby girl, Wendy Shay, how you go to chop eba and still maintain this figure now?
Oh, I work out.
Oh,
I work out.
I didn't see the tone.
Yes,
if you give person blow like this, person will fall for
So
ground.
meaning say you they work out.
Yes, I dey work
So it
out
means
a
say
lot.
this your figure, this your figure, your shape.
Now
Not be
It be natural.
natural.
Yeah, inheritance from my family.
Men are going page go see what like natural.
It be
something.
natural. I mean, you come Ghana, say Ghana girls, plenty of us, we get this nyash.
When I get past Nigeria.
Wait, oh yeah,
Hey, not the
wait. You get natural.
I figure say this thing be like, of course, like you people know now. Of course.
So what to be
Okay.
now when you don't talk up now. What to be your take on BBL?
I think if you want to do that be your body. I mean, if you feel like you want to enhance your body, so say you go feel confident about yourself, make you do anything where you go make you feel confident about yourself, make you do
So let's assume say you know get them naturally. You for do them.
I don't know. I never think about them like that. Like
you don't touch anything for your body.
no.
everything will follow come.
Everything, like everything. Natural. Everything.
I love it for you, my sister.
I came on clap for this one.
Like, people figure say my face like I do, and because I have like really
strong. Your nose be like that pointed.
This my nose. The way they loved me when I was like a kid. Hey, no. Even this my nyash. When I was a kid, I used to be very shy because I developed them when I was like 10.
Wow.
10 years because I was like very. Yeah.
We not get rude.
Remember, I just enter. I don't know when you enter the studio because I know they here. So I'm like, baby,
it shock you.
Baby.
I used to be so shy of this. Like it's so crazy that like I grew up with people that talk say, hey, Wendy Shay. Yes, exactly. Because when I was a kid, like I used to get like even elderly men looking at me in some. So I used to be very shy of my own.
So talking of being a child and that, you don't ever face sexual harassment based on that, your body?
You know, say if you now that
if you speak English, if you're not comfortable,
right? Because my pidgin is literally like.
But we love it, baby.
I'm trying because I want to like
Yeah, I get, but just flow.
Fit
so tell us
theme,
about sexual harassment.
So I think when I grew up was when I realized that some comments people they make self be
harassment.
Be harassment because you have men looking at you and they'll be like, hey, a small girl with your nyash big like that, but people will laugh it off and make some weird comments.
Right. So nobody don't try to touch you.
But as in touching, no. But then comments, I think they were a bit. Now that I grew up, I realized that I think it was really inappropriate.
Too much.
Yeah.
Okay, say you don't also enter into NGOs,
right?
And they deal with a lot of children. Do you feel like they don't open up to you about, especially people who don't face the thing where they face growing up?
No, me, I tell the kids that I take care of, like hey, you have to let me know when somebody even says anything that makes you cringe and that makes you feel like, hey, like what is that? And I don't understand. So I actually let them know that these are possibilities, and it's not even just men. I even tell them even from a woman, if you feel like an auntie or a big sister is kind of like touching you in a certain way, you don't experience them before. Asking from a woman. Same. For that one, I haven't. But I mean, it is there. It happens, exactly.
Okay. 89.9 Yanga FM session with Stabby. We get Wendy Shay inside the studio, and we just ask about different things, music and all. They inside the music industry, and still talking about body shaming, the body type, accepting who you are. A lot of people sexualize female artists. If you never paint face, dress, expose yourself, a bit of nudity, skinny, if you blow like that. What be your own take on that issue?
I feel like we are in a world where it's not. You have to give the fans what they want to see.
So they want to see sexuality.
I wouldn't say they want to see sexual things. I just feel like if you have the body and you want to flaunt it, just flaunt it. For me, example, if I'm posting something, it's not to make people thirsty. It's just to feel good and comfortable.
Baby, I'm on your page.
Do you understand? I'm a woman who actually embraces her sensuality.
Okay.
You understand?
I like that.
I have the body for it. So hey, why not? It's like somebody who is good at playing keyboard. Yes, the person is not.
Show your talent.
It's a package. It's a package. So just be happy with who you are and flaunt whatever you have. Okay. Understand?
Okay, so talking about Wendy Shay, you started 2018.
Right.
And that 2018, no be March, then for June, now you can drop your maiden song. But it gets one thing we stand out for you. Say you don't face some criticism, backlashes. Share with us, wetin make them criticize you like that? Wetin be those things where they drag you for?
Okay, so as I come the industry inside, many people, we had lost a gem from the same record label that I was signed on to. So many people say as I come replace them because her death was quite a painful. Like
Who
I
be
wouldn't
the
even say
person?
quite. Ebony
Okay.
Reigns.
Yeah.
It was. I wouldn't even say quite. She was very young and she died through an accident. So it was literally like something that nobody saw coming. And then some months later, she died in February. I was introduced
In March.
on an award stage in. Was it in? No, it was in April. I
Okay,
think.
April.
Or May, one of them, April or May. Yes, I was introduced on a stage where my label boss was receiving his award.
Okay.
Right, and he introduced me on that stage, and from that day, people were like, "I'm never gonna be like her." So that is where literally the hatred started from, and you know, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. I had to, the welcome. I didn't have a warm welcome. They felt like I couldn't live up to
the expectation.
Exactly. But I had to like prove myself, not necessarily to them, but then to myself that I really have it.
Yeah,
And
so-
I knew I had it. I knew I had it.
So did you feel any point where you broke down? Because I mean, you left Germany for someone that lost her father at the age of 2. You pushed and then you left Germany to come and, you know, revive the music industry of your country. And instead of receiving a warm welcome, they call it say, you know, if you be like this person. Did you break down at any point?
In the beginning, I was a bit. I had a culture shock as well, and I don't know if I should put it as disappointed, but then in a way I understood them as well, because I know Ebony was like a big deal at that moment. It's like literally she was
she like an IRA star?
Yeah, she was like an artist who was like
a big thing in
like
Ghana.
Thing in a moment, and it was really like the first time in a very long time Ghana had such a big female artist. And so her death really shook the country, because it was literally she was getting to her peak. Do you understand? So it was like we lost a gem at a very, when the world was about to experience her.
Right.
You understand? And then I come in. So clearly everybody was like, Madam.
Wow.
But
what do you have?
What do you have to offer? But you
Yes.
know, from that time up until now, how has the story changed?
It's by God's grace. I always give glory to God, because what I went through, I didn't only face the backlash, but I also had like spiritual attacks as well.
Tell me about it.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was insane.
Witchcraft day for Ghana music
What
industry.
happened?
Witchcraft devil.
Tell us.
Oh, a lot. It's just that I when I talk about these spiritual things, it's like I sometimes even get attacks back. So I like to like just let it be, but then I like to let people be aware that I didn't only face
So just
emotional
give an
and
example of the
cyber
spiritual
abuse.
attack that you faced.
Wow,
Because
I honestly think I'll like to skip that one.
okay, that's
Right.
fine. That's beautiful.
But you really went
Yes,
through
I did.
spiritual
Yes, I
attacks
did. I
from
did.
your haters or those that did not welcome you.
There were a lot of people who didn't want me to succeed, you know, so that it would be like, yes, we said she wasn't going to make it, and indeed she didn't make it.
but here you are making it.
But it's by God's grace,
Yes.
you understand. And I also had a very strong team, like my boss. He also he was a musician before he became a label executive. So he had that wisdom and guidelines. So he also guided me, and my mom. So it was like I definitely had a kind of like a system, and I am a natural
Survivor.
yes, I'm a natural survivor, and I am a very determined person. Like you can bring. I'm indomitable.
Baby, talk
so
about
talking
it.
about Survivor, we're gonna listen to your song. Your song where you do with Sweet Us, Wendy Shay, you do Survivor. We could go listen to when they come back.
The one and only superstar, Ghanaian's finest, Wendy Shay, inside our own Yanga FM studio. On top, what's up, NAIJA?
That's so. I'm so excited to know that you'll be person where we say you don't go through a whole lot, and then you stay strong.
And still, you know, surviving.
Yeah.
You know, with better music. Let's talk about the industry, the music industry. Not generally loud. Let's narrow it down to Ghana. Let's talk about the rivalry. baby girl, you there in the midst of people like Efia, Jackie, we get Wendy. What is the love like? Do you have like a relationship with, you know, people like Efia, people like Jackie? Do you have like a relationship going on for you?
Of course, I do. They are my girls. I mean, like, I am in 2023. I was in an accident. I was involved in an accident, and Jackie sent me flowers. Like, yeah, we really are cool like that.
Right.
Yeah, so there's, I mean, talking about rivalry. I mean, we are all in a space where everyone wants to be number one. So definitely, I mean, there is low key. I want to really be, you know, I want to be there. Everybody wants to be there. So clearly, but then it's a healthy competition. I would say it's like we kind of like inspire each other to work hard and be the best of ourselves. I don't look at Jackie and be like, oh, why is she doing this or this. Literally, I am my own competition. I look at myself and want to be better than I was last year or last time.
Right.
Yes, exactly.
So you kind of like inspire one another.
We kind of inspire one
another. But I don't know the other gender. I don't know what's going on because, you know, Sakode is always in the news. Shatta Wale too. You know, the beef and all of that. You feel say you suppose they like competition, like rivalry before you get blown, because if people don't talk about you, then there's really nothing to, you know, talk about, especially on top social media. So do you feel artists feel like they feed this rivalry for fans to talk about?
I think actually it's more about the fans. They actually like it when there is like some kind of they kind of like. I think it's more about the fans because Shatta, you mentioned Shatta Wale, right? Shatta Wale and Sarkodie are really cool. Like Sarkodie did a concert recently and Shatta was on his stage. I mean, we all went to support him. So I mean, we have this connection with each other, but I think sometimes the fans kind of take things, you know, differently.
Right. Okay, so we'll talk about you collaborating with Nigerian artists. You know, say Nigeria now, most artists, they try to make sure so they collaborate with them. If you want to collaborate, if you get a music or a song we want to jump on, and you got to bring one Nigerian female artist, who that female artist go be?
Hey, why people put him in this spot?
No, just one.
Who now?
The person if you just hear you and say, okay, I think we need to do something together.
I like your song. I like the way your voice sounds.
Like it's really hard for me to do that because it's like me. I get like a lot of people I want to like collaborate.
Yeah, but you don't say no pack all of them for one song.
Like
just one.
It's hard. It's really hard.
Oh yeah, drop two.
Oh,
I just they help you over drop two now.
More. Two is too small.
Oh yeah, try two. More try two.
Oh, two is too small because if it,
think
the thing because we got drop two because
can I mention their names in one take?
Okay, let's see.
How? No. Which one is one take?
One take, that's
like 20 seconds. You go mention all of their names.
You want drop two. Now the two you want drop in one take.
She go drop more than two.
No. Now Joro be that now.
I literally like if you give me like
Okay, who go they track? Oh, for the album, who go they track one?
Okay, so it doesn't mean this person is better than the other. It's just maybe if I'm arranging it, I might arrange it that way because you know you need to start your song.
You don't try politics
so
before.
You
do like you be politician.
Terms can start with we can start with terms, and then we go to Arasta.
Okay.
And then
okay.
and then we give them
faith.
And then my mom Tiwa Savage, like my godmother. I love that woman so much.
You love Tiwa?
I mean, she was in Ghana last year.
Yeah, I know. We've met before actually.
Oh, really?
We met in 2022. Sometimes we chat.
So how was the meeting like when you met Tiwa Savage?
I was like, I am such a big fan of yours. Like, I've been listening to her when I was in Germany. I used to listen to her music a lot, like sing. And my mom would be watching me like, hey, you know all her songs? Like, yeah, duh. Like, you know what I'm saying? So Yeah, so basically, yeah, like that.
So you pick a Thames and an Iris Star.
So
For track 1 and 2,
Track
two
one
will be
and
like
two.
track 9.
Basically, because we need to
10.
start, like, we need to take off. You
Okay.
understand? But that is not based on their performance.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
literally based on how the songs, I would arrange them. There's gonna be favor on there. I actually have a song with Gucci already, so
Oh.
yeah, Too Late remix. So yeah,
Okay.
I had to throw that in.
Okay.
Maybe a
So-
little mix with Simi.
Oh wow!
It is this stew you're cooking for
The
me.
stew.
You're cooking, and we're ready
It's
to
giving
eat.
shit.
Okay,
And
so
maybe the last song might be Yemi Alade. Like, let me just throw that in there.
Oh, that's a bomb.
Nice,
That's good.
nice.
That's a hit album I'm giving you guys.
you know, and we're loving it. 2026 is huge for so many people. They get aspirations, they get dreams. Waiting be your own. What are your your areas of focus for this 2026?
Yeah.
Just spreading my wings.
Okay.
Getting fan base from all over the world, not just in Africa even.
Right.
So I'm here in Nigeria, for instance, to connect to, get to know my fan base and
You spread your wings.
Yeah, exactly.
So you talk of connection. Let's talk of love life, connection. Anything, any man in your life right now?
Right now I'm single.
You're single.
You're
Do you
searching?
want
I don't know if
Odogo?
I'm searching. I really
You
don't
might
know
meet an
about that.
Odogo. Just take it from me. It's a prophecy. An
Hey.
Odogo
In
before
Nigeria.
Sunday.
Hey.
Odogo, find Odogo that will love you.
I want you to stay. When are you going to leave?
On Tuesday maybe.
Your dog will make you stay.
Are you open to love in Nigeria?
Wherever love finds me, I actually want love to find me, because I feel like this job where they do, if the person know they understand me, it go really make her, because I'm always on the go, like I'm on the road, and yeah, like I'm here right now. Imagine you have someone at home, and men, you need like.
Oh, you think
247
love
care.
would draw you back
I
a
feel
bit?
like the person has to understand that this be what this girl they do, or this
Right.
is what
Okay.
my woman they do, so I have to understand them.
Okay.
But I don't know if that person exists yet. I'm yet to meet that person.
Okay,
I mean,
so-
for somebody who left nursing to
Yeah.
pursue, music, they
Yeah.
should know that you're always on the go.
Exactly.
Have you served breakfast before?
As in me.
Yes, you.
They're
Or
not
they
serving
For
served
me,
you
they have chopped
breakfast?
breakfast before.
Gee.
That's how Survivor
How?
was birthed now.
As fine as you did with this.
You chop breakfast.
Oh,
Oh God.
it was served hot.
Oh my God. I feel so bad. God
Oh, but right now we
mercy.
made millions out of it. Out of it. I
Out
mean,
of the breakfast.
Survivor is a big song. Like you hear everywhere. So I make money. So.
Okay,
I
so
mean, it's a
Good
win-win.
riddance, my dear.
My
Yeah,
dear.
period. You never the carry last.
okay, lastly, you have an Odogo rap before you, and send a message to that Odogo that is waiting for you,
Oh,
or you're waiting for.
Hey.
What
Oh,
would you
your
tell
love
him?
letter.
Hey. I just said I wasn't searching, so
I don't know whether I decide, but Odogo they come, but wait till you go tell them.
Wow.
Wow.
I think I need to think about it.
You won't tell him anything.
I really need to think about it, because I don't know. I really.
Are you sure you still have romantic something inside your body? So
Or you still, they don't knock you
It don't-
up.
Right now, yeah,
Like metal?
I've seen a lot, so I'm
Right.
just chilling. I'm just chilling. Let me just see what finds me. Maybe somebody's gonna go
find me one day. All right, thank you very much, Wendy Shay. It was really amazing. The fact that you have two concerts, we say they do every year, the Shay concert and the one night stand.
Yes.
It's super amazing. Well
Thank
done. We
you.
really appreciate it. What do you say to your fans? What do you go tell them?
Oh, thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I mean, we are nothing without our fans, because our fans actually make us, and they consume our music, they patronize our music. So I am very grateful for every listener, every supporter, even the media houses that play our songs. Thank you guys so much.
We love
Really
you
appreciate
too.
it.
All right, 89.9 Yanga FM session with Sabi. We will just allow Wendy Shay just continue with her, because this NAIJA way she no come flex like that, or she can't walk,
Yeah.
come connect with people, especially with her fans.
Yeah, so Moko just go. We'll listen to this song again, Survivor,
Yes,
because the
so-
song really, now song where we say touch her, and then it gets story for on top the matter.
Hey, if I play Too Late to give them, because Too Late is really
Yeah, we'll go run
Okay.
am on top.
We go run am before we-
matter. Thank you very much.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.